Okay, good afternoon. So, this is a live session on resume building or resume writing, and I hope it's clearly visible to you. So, let us start with this session. I need to go to Overleaf account. Now, why Overleaf? Because Overleaf is a place where you write all your latex projects or latex code, and I want your resume to be built on a latex project. So you go to the new project and select a blank project, or you can import. There are many direct templates available, so you can choose a resume or CV. Okay. Now, typical resume styles. So European resume comes with a picture, and the resume that you have uh, with US or India, they are pretty plain. So depends which part of the uh, thing. So this is the standard resume which most of the people believes to see or like, and these are the new fancy style resumes that you can build nowadays. So anyone is okay as long as the contents are good. It doesn't matter which style you choose. It represents your personality also. So getting for a standard resume is okay if you are just starting. And today I might choose something fancier. So let me just go for a fancy resume. Okay. So now next thing you have to do is open as a template. I would paste the link of this template later on, maybe in the chat box or something on YouTube Live. So it's done. It's available now. It's getting compiled. You have to be patient. So here you will see that different parts are there, like publications are separate, then numbering is separate. Readme is given for this particular resume, how you want to build. Sample.bib is given, so there must be some articles published by conference proceeding and so on. So that is also there. And then suitcase, some background images that she has put onto the file, and then the class file. Okay. So let us come back to the first. I need to change the picture. So I need to put my photograph. So let me just search for my picture on the website. You can click one live also. It's okay. So let me just type my name, Mehendale. Now pictures are only important for European resumes. They are basically a part of their resume style. And in Indian resumes, we don't put the pictures. Nowadays, we are copying Europe. So yeah. So let me choose some latest. I don't know. Yeah, this looks okay. Okay. And yeah, something similar. I don't know. I will choose this very tiny picture, but that is okay. So you can save image as, go to the pictures, and you just save it. Make sure that you have known the extension. So I will say profile pic. Okay. Now choose something which is formally dressed, straight looking. Your both ears should be ideally visible, and something similar to your passport photo. Next thing is don't put any fancy, because anyway the circular cut is gonna come onto that particular thing. So let me go back to the resume side. Yeah. So next thing what you have to do is come back to this. Here you can rename it. Okay. So let me just rename Player Wikipedia to 1. Okay. And now come to Meyer, whatever that Marisa Meyer's resume we are editing. So now I need to upload my picture. So I go to the upload, select the document, go to the pictures, select this and say open. Okay. So now it got uploaded, and it will be visible as profilepic.jpg, but actual name was this. So either I have to change the coding. Okay. So let me just search where is that particular picture, I double clicking on it is saying make CV header, so it must be inside a CV header. So let us see where it is now. So yeah, this is geometry put up. What you can do is you can just search for this Meyer in the manuscript. So I just search .jpg and it's appearing two places, so it's not in this particular thing. Okay, so maybe in class file. Let me just try here jpg. Okay, so this is the source. You can see I downloaded the picture, so this is the name. Okay, I just have to change it with profile pic. So it should suggest in the suggestion box profile space pic. Okay, let me just recompile. I hope it should bring my photo over here. Okay, so that is done. The photo is visible. Only thing is it's not showing up properly. So if you just zoom in, you see my head is not properly in the center. So what you can do is go back to the drive where the picture is stored, right click, click on edit, and you can bring your nose at the center of your picture. The nose has to be in the center of your picture. So let's try to do that. And then just save it. Okay, so now it is done. I can just re-upload the picture, and for that it will allow me to overwrite the existing picture because the name is same. Overwrite it and then recompile. So now this fellow is Mehendale, whatever it is. It's not very high resolution picture, you don't need it also. So now it is perfectly in the center. See, nose center point has to be the center of the picture. Next is I need to change this name from Mehendale to let's say my name. So again it must be in make CV header somewhere. So you can just search for it and just remove this thing, and I will say Marisa. Okay, now this is green, so that is in comment. Okay, name Marisa. So this is where line number 78. You will insert your name. You can write Ninad, my full name, preferably full name because there might be two Ninad Mehendale. Okay, and then just recompile. That should change the position or whatever you have automatically, and it is showing your full name. Okay, next is tagline. So I am associate professor, so I just put that associate professor. You can write student, enthusiast, whatever. So it's your tagline, what you want to get called as associate professor, and you can mention electronics engineering or something like that. So I can just put electronics engineering. These are the two main things that people will see: what you are, what's your name, and what is your tagline. In one sentence, if you want to describe, or in one word, I am associate professor electronics engineering. Next is, now I need to, so there are hyperlinks. This is very interesting. So when you click, it will take me to that particular location. So I have to search her email address. So I will replace it with mine. I can write ninad@somaya.edu. Okay. Now address line. So I have to put my address. I will just do that. Maybe. Now try to keep it short, don't make it too long. Maybe Thane, India. Okay. And 40020, pin code is very important, otherwise the letter will not reach to you. So they have given a separate thing for location, so I can just cut that last part, Thane, India, and paste it to the next. So I just do that. So this is CHS, and then I might put some extra information and let us recompile. Okay, so now it has given me this information. Now Pada Thane. You can also put some more like Maharashtra, India, etc. etc. So this is the detailed address, so that the appointment order should reach you. So give your correct address at least here, postal address. Then comes your website. So I will put my website homepage. It's Ninad at .weebly.com. If you don't have your website, you can create one on weebly.com. Then Twitter, I don't know, I guess you can just look for your own Twitter account. Let me just see weebly.com, then go to the profile, about team, and then I have my name, somewhere my Twitter account should be there. Okay, so that is my Twitter profile called Mehendale. I can just take that and put it on my resume. Okay, put that, and then I need to put my LinkedIn also. So let me just check LinkedIn. Yeah. So LinkedIn ID, I think it's Ninad Mehendale. Yeah. Just take that. I hope you all are also doing with me your own resume. Okay. Then you have your GitHub. So if you are applying a coding jobs, GitHub is very important. If you are a researcher, your ORCID ID is also very important. You can put those things in your resume and just recompile. Okay. So the first part of the resume is done. It was very straightforward information. Okay. Now here I can just update the part where it looks good. So location, can just do a slight modification because it's not looking pretty. Just move this everything over here. Okay, now if you don't want to put that location icon, you can just say comment. So then you have your postal address ready, your website and Twitter account, LinkedIn account, everything is set. Okay. So what I did is I removed that location sign and just put everything. Make sure you have some correctly specified everything. Next is now the experience. So here it was a tagline, but now I want to put a experience. Okay. So this is where I put email address around it. Recompile. Okay. So if I want to put my experience as associate professor as my first qualification, so I can just write electronics engineer. Basically, I am electronics and telecommunication engineer. I just change my tagline, and then coming to the experience. So experience here I will write associate professor. Okay. So now that becomes my central position. So experience, whether it could be your internships or if you are a student, you might have some uh, uh, maybe instead of experience you can put your academic papers, something like that. I just recompile that. Okay. So it got created, experience, associate professor. I am not obviously associate professor at Yahoo, so I will just put my details. So I work in KJ Mumbai College of Engineering. Okay. And I started working there from August 2019 and ongoing. Okay. And its location is Mumbai, India. I can just write location. So this got updated and it should show the results soon. Now, since you are writing in LaTeX, you don't have worry about formatting. It will be always perfectly formatted. Okay. Next thing is, what are the things that you do into this particular job? So roles, important key points. Okay. Now, whatever I am doing, I will just put it over here as itemized list. Okay. So as a professor, I take lectures. So teaching subjects, so I can say subjects like 3D printing technology, sound and music engineering. Okay, sorry, something got connected. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, sound and music engineering, etc. So I can just still put few more courses that I teach. Deep learning. These are some of the courses with auto, somehow the shift tab, auto, right? Something like controller and autonomous vehicles. Okay, so that is recompiled. Next is some other building research projects. So, research projects. Here, different research projects we are working on. You can just name few of them. So maybe portable microscope. Then I am also working on NMR coil design, etc. Some projects you can put. And AR, VR, smart wall, or I can say LiDAR. Okay. These are some research projects. I don't want further items in this. I can just remove them. So that is about my first profile, and similarly I can keep on building the other profiles. So I just leave it for you to proceed. Okay. So it should be compiled soon. Yeah, it got recompiled and now it's available. Okay. Then you can fill all your experiences. Uh, then comes live figures. I just let's say you don't want this section, you can just avoid. If you don't have any nothing light up, whatever live. Okay, so vice president, then there is nothing much given. Every time you change the company, you put a divider over here. So I worked as, let's say, scientist. Before that, I worked as scientist. I don't know, some spelling mistake is happening. Scientist in IMT at KIT Germany. Okay, I was there from that day to next day. So you have to copy paste all your experiences like this and keep on recompiling. Now for students it might be just one or two. So you can just get rid of all this extra data. So yeah, this is about work experience. Next is day of my life. So let us say you don't want to put this particular wheel chart, how you spend your day, you can just remove that particular section. CV section is title, you can just delete it. It will just make your CV go haywire because you have removed some big part from this particular table. Okay, it's gone. Then new page will bring me to the next part. Okay, then there are publications and so on and so forth. So again, once we finish the publications, then some bibliography, 2-3 publications. Then it's called a switch column. So here a new column begins. See, I don't want to put live figures of the course. I just get rid of them. Now, what are the sections you will need on your resume? Okay, most proud of is like achievements. So let me just download my old resume and I will just show you what are the things which are required onto the resume. So yeah, faculty profile. I have my resume somewhere here. I just download that. Okay, so we put the address, phone number. There is a video resume also which you can create and then link it. And then you have LinkedIn, Skype ID, birthday, etc., etc. Professional experience. So I worked as associate professor at this location, and then scientist, lecturer, and then proprietor at my own company. Then comes the section called education. Okay. So after your experience, your education should come. What I will do is I will show you how to create a new section. Here, let's say I just put associate professor and then scientist. Okay. And then let me just get rid of all these things. Building real time NMR, something like that. I just put a short description of my role over there, just recompile it. So yeah, I was working there from April. So yeah, I can take all these details from the resume of mine and fill it up. Then comes awards and achievements. So you just put those things proud of. Okay. What are the things required onto your resume is professional experience, first thing. Then comes education. Okay, education starts from PhD, MTech, BTech, diploma. If you have lower qualification, you start with BTech, then you have 12th standard, 10th standard. And if you are just 10th pass out, then you don't have to put much. Don't put your school grades. So then comes skills. Now skills is very important. Now you have to remember these things are not just like that. When I roam around it, there is some document attached to this. So there are hyperlinks inserted into the resume so that people just want to see what was my PhD work. They can just click on this and they will be redirected to the thesis of mine. So you have to put H link into your resume. Okay. This is maybe the publication that came out of my thesis or something like that. So how to do that? First you take the link from here, okay, and then you need to insert a code. So insert hyperlink, okay, and then you insert a hyperlink into LaTeX. So href is what they call href, use package href. So you have to put this package on top of your code. Let me just see where is my here. So if you want to add any packages to your LaTeX file, you can go to the top where they are inserted, use package. Here you paste it, line 28. Hyperref is ready, where I can link my, let's say I want to link my video resume to my name. Okay. And then I need to put a hyperref. So href is what we need for here. Begin document, hyperlinks in the document. Okay. So here is first hyperlink, end of the document, /URL. So href, copy. Let me see if I get my video resume out somewhere. Video resume not Mehendale. Do that. This is my video resume. I want to link it.
So from the very start, we have been on Shopify.
Let me go back to the resume that we were building. Come here. Okay. So now let me just add it to my name. We have already mentioned href over here, how to put that, hyperlinks. Okay. And turn on. So let me see if I can put /href. Okay, and then whatever you want to display, I want to display my name. So Control X, Control V, and the actual link to my video resume. I think I have closed it somewhere. Let me just check whether it is available. Okay.
Grammarly,
and then you paste it over here. So remember, whenever you paste these links into your resume, ensure that these links are publicly accessible, otherwise people won't be able to access them. So hopefully it got created. Okay, that's something strange. It was, I guess, reverse way around. So first I need to give a link, and then I need to put a name. now it is linked. So if somebody clicks, it will be taken to the YouTube. I don't know, something is wrong. The code is correct. I just check it with my old resume.
Grammarly can help you write quickly and confidently, so you never have.
Okay, so this is how you insert a hyperlinks into each and every word that you put onto your resume, especially in the skills section. If you write C programming, you should be able to give a certificate for C programming. So each and everything in your resume should be listed. So education was already there. I didn't saw it first. Okay, so education was a small section, but you want to make it a big. What you can do is just move it around. Moving the section is pretty easy. I just cut it, and now I want to put it just below my experience. So let me just move that publication, switch column, उसके पहले, yeah, I think this is where I wrote product manager and itemized. Yeah, here I will just put a new section, and if you want a divider in between, you can create that also. So now it will shift that education from this side to this side. Okay. So after your experience, you should go for education. That is the correct order. Now remember, when you switch the side, that will come on the first page itself. So first page should be filled with experience and then education. Coming back to the resume itself, I don't know, where did I put it? So, let me just download it again. Okay. Yeah. So, professional experience, education. Third thing is skills. So, if you see, each of these skills will have their own certificate. That's how you know that particular skill. Okay. Like machine learning, you should give a lecture on machine learning or whatever. If I am talking about I know 3D printing, I will go to my courses and give a lecture series of my 3D printing. So documented proofs are very important in your resume. So maybe some website link. If you don't have website link, you can upload those certificates onto the Drive, Google Drive, and make it publicly available so that people know that you have done that. Okay, so I will not write anything on my resume if I don't have a sufficient proof for that. And if somebody tries to verify it again, they should be able to do it. So let me go back to this. So I have written something like I am taking a subject 3D printing technology. So what I will do is I will put my href, the magical href over here, and then okay, then two curly brackets. The first one is the link of my course 3D printing technology. I don't know where it is, somewhere here. Courses 3D printing technology. And I just copy this link and paste inside my resume. So just paste it. Okay, and then you just remove the original closing bracket and then put it on the other side. Okay, so your resume should be interactive for the people. At the same time, those who are taking a printout, it should not look everything blue hyperlink. So that's why you use this href, so that it still looks black, but if somebody tries to see whether I can know anything about 3D printing, yes, okay, this guy can teach 3D printing, so you can see all my lectures available. So something like that. proof for everything, but not to be mentioned onto the resume. It's understood that when you write something, it is obvious that you have something about it. Don't write any fake information, like if you don't know Java programming, don't write Java, it's okay. Whatever you know, you put that onto your resume. So let me go back to my resume. I don't know, somewhere on a new tab it got opened, I guess. That's strange. Okay. So next stuff, once you have your degrees and skills can be further divided as languages that you speak, okay, then coding, software, hardware, and then some miscellaneous skills. So these are the further subdivisions, okay. So like you make CV section, you can make CV subsections also. Then academic achievements like awards and achievements. So if you change the page and half of your awards are here, you can make a new section at the start of new page. Don't forget to do that and say awards and achieved continued, okay, because people won't know what was the last section where it is continuation of what, okay. Then inside awards and achievement, you can have your invited talks, workshops, extracurricular activities, maybe some sports or maybe music, etc., etc. Then position of responsibilities, wherever you work. Again, you will have all the certificates as a hyperlink. Then publications, if there are too many, you can just put it as a list, and you can say recent 5 publication in the resume and remaining publication list, and then you can give a link to your publication. And then professional referees whom people can contact and verify your resume, and if they need additional references, you can still further provide them. So this is how a resume should be built, and if you have any further queries, you can directly contact me. You have my email address now in this recording, and all the best, and you can send your resumes once you build to me. There are some number of levels also mentioned on this. So keep building this, and I hope you understood a bit of how easy it is to make a resume in a LaTeX, and always keep it on LaTeX so that you can easily modify it fastly. And it's a good habit to modify your resume every 3 months at least, okay, even if you are working in the same organization, because you do a lot of things that you forgot later on. So within 1 or 3 months, keep updating your resume. And with that, I will stop streaming with the OBS studio.